Hey there, Christy Caliendo live from AAW Portland. We are at the Easywood Tools booth. Really excited for this great weekend and this great lineup that we have in store for you. It is going to be, without a doubt, a top-notch weekend filled with fun, excitement, turning, tools, you name it, we got it. We're going to give you a quick little tour of our booth here.
You probably don't need another one, even if you want it, right?
We are live on Facebook, on Easywood Tools Facebook page. Say hello. We have Chris Caliendo over here. Chris, what do we got going on this weekend with our Easy Chuck giveaway?
Well, over here we'll be demoing our Easy Chuck to all the folks here at the AAW. And each day we're going to be giving away one of these babies. We're drawing at the end of each day.
I love that
for a brand new Easy Chuck.
Awesome. Make sure you need to be present to win. So if you're in the area, come on down. Make sure you enter. The drawings are right here. Chris, move that out of the way. There's our drawing times. You have to be here, but I'm really excited about this. One per day. We're going to pan around. We have all of our tools on display. We have a big table. We have Mr. Doug Dixon over here.
Hello, everybody.
You're live on Facebook. Chris, tell us what we have here on the table.
Okay.
Tell us what we have here on the table.
Well, over here we've got our full line of turning tools, from our micro tool set for the small project enthusiast, all the way up the full range of sizes to all the way to our Pro Series for those folks that like to do large bowls and turnings and deep form hollowing and things like that.
We got a new tool out, folks. Want you to stop
This
by and see
just in.
Just in. Newsflash.
Newsflash, new tool.
Mid-size micro detailer.
Look
Very
at
fine
the tip on that thing.
Bigger handle to hold on to get some leverage, get a little bit of detailing there with your body.
We had such popular feedback from that detailer on our micro tools that we've now put it out in a mid-size. Keep in mind at this show too, just down the way over here, if you can see it, is the Woodcraft booth. Woodcraft will be selling
10% off at the show. 10% off all tools, chucks, accessories.
So
Make
we
sure you
have
stop by, see Russ.
Russ at the Woodcraft booth will be selling our Easywood tools with 10% off. We all know this is Father's Day weekend, so what better gift than the gift of turning? Stop by Woodcraft and take these specials. We also have our turners on display over here. And we know, we've been talking about it, about the special cast of characters that we got going on. Sneak peek. Special cast of characters that we have lined up this weekend. We couldn't be more excited for this group. So we know you want to know who's here with us. And I think we can give them all a nice little intro here. Remember, we're live right now. So, let's come on over and introduce your Easywood Tools starting lineup for Portland this weekend. Apparently, they're debating who's first, so come on out. Rebecca DeGroot is in the house. Woohoo! And Rebecca will be turning skateboards into reclaimed art on Saturday from 9:30 to 10:30. Rebecca! Next up in your starting lineup, he's mad, he's crazy, it's Mr. Scott Grove from Imagine Grove. Scott will be turning Mineral Inlay today. Mineral Inlay, woo!
Yeah.
Today from 12:10 to 1:40 p.m. in the Mobile Makers Workshop. Let's not forget about that. Who do we have next coming out? It is Zach Higgins from NV Woodwork. Zach is in the house, and he will be turning aluminum honeycomb pen blanks. Show us some of your blanks you got here.
Look at those.
Wow, look at the detail on these things.
Or both.
Nice.
Wow, look at these. We have some awesome pieces that are going to be coming out this weekend. We are so excited. Zach will be turning for us on Sunday from 9:30 to 11. Zach.
Thanks, Zach.
All right, next, who do we got coming out of the Mobile Maker Workshop is Mr. Bradley McCoy. McAllister Bradley.
Spirocraft.
Bradley from Spirocraft of Studios of Bradley McAllister, and Bradley will be turning freeform sculptural turning.
Freeform sculptural turning, that's right.
That'll be tomorrow, Saturday, from 3 to 4 p.m. Again in the Easy Wood Tools booth. Bradley, welcome.
I get to make up anything I want to do. There is no rules, there is no form, there is no function.
We have none of that here. That's why we're going to have fun. Make sure you turn in. We'll have some broadcast of all these turnings, but that's not all. We still have Mr. Heath Knuckles coming out here. Hi, Heath. How you doing?
Great, good.
Tell us what you'll be turning.
Maybe a little bit of
Resin hybrid.
Some resin hybrids. Look at these. Oh,
Doing
those
my
look
thing
cool. Look at the color and the detail on that.
kind of an easy wood tool.
Yeah.
theme here on this
Right,
one.
look, matches the shirt. Look at that.
Exactly.
All right, and Heath will be turning on Friday. That's today from 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. again in the Easy Wood Tool booth. All right, awesome. Thanks, Heath. And last, but certainly not least, he's the man, he's the myth, he's the mystery. He is the mobile maker workspace here of the Woodshop TV, Carl Jacobson! Carl in the house. Hello, Carl. What are you going to be turning for us this weekend?
I'm going to be doing boxes, and I grabbed this from the shop.
Oh, look at that.
The secret's unveiled.
I thought I saw a putty tat. I did see Carl Jacobson in the putty tat.
Please come down.
Come on down. And Carl will be turning Saturday from 12 to 1:30.
Come on down, man. It's free.
Get in. Remember, we are live. Everybody say, go Wood, go Wood, go Wood, go Wood, go Wood. Have fun. Easy Wood Tools. Be there or be square. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later on. We'll be broadcasting live, as I'm sure all of these fabulous turners will be as well. So make sure you check out their channels, subscribe, like us on Facebook, like all of them,
And like him.
and like him and him and him and him and him and him and her and her and him, and subscribe to their YouTube channel. So thank you, everybody. We'll be talking to you soon.